Welcome to the video. How to make a decision in 10 minutes. My name is Mayur Bardolia from www.northstarangel.com. And let's get right to it. So we have around 10 minutes. Please close your eyes. Come to the rest. Take a deep breath. Release and relax. Usually when you are facing a decision or a dilemma, you are facing two options. We will call them option 1 and option 2. Please focus on option 1. Think about option 1. Thank you. Now, please focus on option 2. Think about option 2. In 9 times out of 10, when you think you are facing a decision, there is usually resistance on both sides. You have some problem with option 1 and some problem with option 2. Seeing the disadvantages of both sides, and that prevents you from seeing clearly. So we are going to try to reduce that resistance a little bit so that you see both sides as okay. So once again, focus on option 1. Think about option 1 and as best as you can, and be okay with that while you're thinking about it. Relax with that. Allow that. And shift your focus back to option 2. Think about option 2 and as best as you can, allow that. Be okay with that. Just be okay with it. Take a breath and be okay with option 2. Now, let's intensify this some more. Shift your attention back to option 1. Your eyes closed. Think about option 1. Reduce your resistance. Relax your resistance. Imagine you have made that decision. You have decided option 1 and enjoy that. Allow yourself to enjoy that right now. To love option 1, to want option 1, to have decided for option 1, to say yes to option 1. And then shift your attention to option 2. Now think about option 2. And the same. Release your resistance. Reduce your pushing. Relax. allow that. Love it, like it, and want it. And imagine you have decided for option 2 and you are enjoying it. Say yes to option 2. Yes. And now in your mind's eye, look at both option 1 and option 2 and be okay with both of them. They are both fine. So before starting, both were a problem. Now you see they are both fine. Going either ways, just fine. From this state, where both options are fine, it's easier to make a decision because you are more clear in the head. You are more positive. Never ever make an important decision when you are frustrated or afraid or angry. Make your important decisions when you are completely relaxed, like right now. Breathe slowly, softly, and deeply. The idea that if you go one path, one straight, you have lost the other straight is an illusion. You can reactivate any reality at any time in the universe. There is no such thing as loss. So for example, if you employ one person, you can fire him again. And if you fire one person, you can employ him again. It may not be pleasant, but it's possible. So deciding for one thing does not mean deciding against the other thing. It just means deciding for that one thing. Nothing is lost. The second thing you should know is that procrastination is an energy sucker. When you postpone things in time, it means you are resisting them. And when you resist them, it means you keep thinking about them. What you do not resist, you stop thinking about. So the solution is to either dissolve the thought by no longer resisting the issue, or take care of the issue. Do it or decide. Make that decision. Comparing the pros and cons is okay, but don't do that for so long. Be a decision maker. The more decisions you make, the more power you gain. Making no decision is often worse than making a bad decision. Because making no decision is also a decision. It is the decision of the coward. So now, I would like you to relax even more deeply, knowing that both decisions are okay, and that not deciding is also okay if you do it consciously, rather than from cowardice. I would like you to relax, also knowing that procrastination is an energy sucker. Laziness will suck your energy. Let go of all I must, I should, I need. If there is any I must in you, focus on that. I must breathe it in, suck it in, and out the out breath, let go of it. There is no such thing as I must in the universe. And if you are feeling an I should, let go of that too. Breathe it in, and on the out breath, release I should. And relax. And in this relaxed state, make your decision right now. Make your decision. And immediately after making the decision, 1 or 2 seconds after that, what did you feel? If you feel comfortable and fine with your decision, you may end this program. And if you do not feel entirely comfortable with your decision, you may repeat this program until you do. So if this program has helped you become clear-headed, you may be interested in other programs at www.northstarangel.com. My name is Mayur Bardolia. Thank you very much for listening.